کوئی بھی تو نہیں جو میرے بھوکے رہنے پہ ناراض ہو, جیل میں تیری تصویر ہوتی تو ہنس کر سزا کاٹ.
Hi, I'm Uzma and this is Dia.
Hi.
We own Cannoli and we were bored, so we would like to introduce you to our team. Oves is our manager. Oves?
Hi.
Good. Dia, would you like to ask him a few questions?
Abbas, how long have you been working for us?
I think last 9 years.
9 years.
Yeah.
Abbas was one of our first hires when we opened Café Soul.
Yes, ma'am.
And how many classes have you taken for English?
I think 3.
3.
3 years, you mean?
No.
3 whole courses.
6 months, 1 class.
6 months,
Yes,
1 class.
yes.
So a year and a half.
So a year and a half you
Yes.
studied English.
Yes, ma'am.
So could you please speak to everyone in English and say a sentence?
Introduce
Nice.
yourself.
Hi, my name is Awais and I job their manager and that's it.
Shabash.
So this is our manager who's been with us for 9 years. This is the beautiful English he speaks. We just
This is
thought
what we paid for.
this is at a very good salary, mind you. Thank you.